Hey there, welcome. Welcome to Rise and Receive. This is an opportunity in your day to stop whatever you're doing to explore how to receive fulfillment in your life by unlearning struggle. So today we're covering tip number 11 in a series on getting easy momentum. So if there's an area of life where you would like to get easy momentum because you don't know where to start, because you feel stuck, because it's been hard to get things going, hi, Julie. Then I invite you to stick around because today's tip is how to, I lost my words. What to do or how to get easy momentum when you don't believe that you can have what you want. Wow, off to a strong Monday today, stumbling over my words. So how to believe that you can have what you want when you don't. That's definitely a cause of stuckness and really gets in the way of getting easy momentum. So I'm going to help you to shift that today. And so I invite you to think about an area of life where you would like some easy momentum, and also think about this feeling, this idea that perhaps you might struggle with, where you might think that you can't have what you want, that you just don't believe it. And think about how you've tried to deal with that, because we're really going to shift some energy around that today when we realize where our power lies. So if you don't know me, my name is Sonia Miller. I'm a speaker, coach, and best-selling author, and I mentor ambitious, goal-oriented people to surpass their limits with ease and speed. And the way that I do this is I teach the one skill most outcome-driven people are missing, which is how to receive. You see, ambitious, goal-oriented people tend to have a unique set of behaviors and blind spots that cause them to overdevelop their hunter skills in pursuit of their goals and dreams, while malnourishing the receiving skills that allow them to welcome into their lives what they want. But here's this thing, receiving what you want and surpassing your limits is not about working harder. It's not about doing more of the hunter stuff. It's actually about training your awareness, because all of your power lies in consciousness. And action is secondary. So that's what we do here, is that we stop all of the overdoing, we train our awareness, and this allows easy momentum to start allowing flow to happen and receive what we want most in our lives. So let's go on to tip number 11 on how to believe that you can have what you want, or more importantly, how to shift the part of you that doesn't believe that you can have what you want, because it's not even about believing. And that's the main idea behind this tip. So here's the thing to understand, okay? You don't need to figure out how to change a limiting belief. I'm going to pause there, because this is what most people do with limiting beliefs. If you don't believe that you can have what you want, what most people do in hunter-pursuer mode is we try to figure out, using our mind, how to change our limiting belief. We also try to figure out and get to the root of why. Why don't I believe that I can have what I want, or why do I feel unworthy? All of that blocks momentum. All of that keeps you stuck, because what happens is, in consciousness creates your reality. So in consciousness, when you are focused on why do I have a limiting belief? What's at the root of my unworthiness or my feelings of unworthiness? And you get into all of this problem solving. What's really happening in consciousness is you're giving lots and lots of attention to, I have a limiting belief. The limiting belief is blocking me. I feel unworthy, and I need to figure out my way through all of this before I can receive what I want. That's what you're creating in consciousness. That is what you're actually receiving into your awareness and into your life, is problem solving. I can't have what I want until I figure it out. And lots of attention on this whole thing that reinforces limiting belief, not worthy. So that's what you keep manifesting, and that blocks the momentum. So what we want to do is we want to shift from what the hunter does, which is to approach goals and dreams with intention, stop all this forward problem solving, and shift into the consciousness of invitation. When you're an invitation, you're an invitation. You're inviting, you're welcoming, you're receiving. Things are coming this way. Just like when you put out an invitation for a party. You're just being you, holding space and saying to people, come, be with me. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome to be here. You're wanted. You're valued, right? So we put our attention on the things that you want through invitation. And the best way to be an invitation that I have found in all of my years of coaching is willingness. Because willingness allows you to focus your energy on the things you want without trying to figure it out, without controlling, without attachment. You simply become willing. And that's why we use willingness affirmations a lot here, because it's one of the most powerful ways of using affirmations, and it's affirmations that actually work. That's how we train our awareness. So here's your affirmation for the day. And I'm actually going to give you a bonus one today because this is a biggie. This comes from the Receive Oracle card deck. It's receive your wants. I am willing to let myself want what I want. I am willing to let myself want what I want. Why is that such a powerful affirmation? Because most of the time we stop our momentum because we won't even really let ourselves want what we want. Our wants don't even see the light of day. They start to bubble up. It's like, no, I can't have that. No, it's not possible. So you see, we don't even really let ourselves want what we want. So I am willing to let myself want what I want. If you were to stop every time that you start to have these, what's that limiting belief? Why don't I feel worthy? How do I get the bottom? And just stop. Bottom of this is what I meant to say. Just stop. Take a breath. I am willing to let myself want what I want. Now here's the bonus affirmation. I am willing to believe that I can have what I want. I am willing to believe how I can have what I want. Just be willing. When you become an invitation for these things, watch out. You're going to start to attract all sorts of things that were completely unavailable to you because you thought you had to figure all this stuff out before you could receive what you wanted. So I am willing to let myself want what I want. I'm willing to believe that I can have what I want. You cannot say these affirmations enough. This is how you train your awareness. So I'd love to hear how this goes for you. Try it out. If you like this video and think it's helpful, please pass it along. It helps me reach the people that I'm here to serve. Like and share here on Facebook, on YouTube, subscribe. I'll let you know when I'm releasing more videos. And if you like these easy momentum tips, then consider joining me on May 21st. Save the date. We'll have the registration and information page available very soon. May 21st, I'm teaching a new workshop called Get Momentum, the Get Momentum workshop. And these tips are about activating easy momentum. The workshop is about energizing it and keeping it going. So I am here to support you. I hope you'll join me and come back to the next tip, which I'll be doing tomorrow. In the meantime, practice the affirmation and remember this: you cannot receive what you most want if you don't know how to receive. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.